We have now the editor and publisher of Punjab Express with us, Rajanti. Thank you for making it here.
Thank you.
You were there at the Navratri festival.
Yeah.
How did you find that event in comparison to some of the other community religious events that are organized in Sydney?
I think this event was very well organized. The planning was really good. I loved the way it has been decorated. I loved the planning for the shows. You know, the number of items they had, and the collective talent of Sydney was on showcase. So it was a great event.
I think for me personally, it was the first time that I actually saw performances, religious sermons, a photo exhibition, and also an actual arti and puja and a yagna that took place. What did you think about the confluence of these three slightly different elements under the same roof?
I think that was great because you see, in an event you get all types of people. There are people who come there solely for religious purpose. There are people who come just to enjoy themselves. So they had elements for each one of them. So people who were interested in art, they could see the photo gallery, the exhibition. People who are interested just to see the performances, there was enough for them. And then for people who were there for religious purpose, there was enough for them as well. So it was great planning, and I think you had a lot of inputs to that, and great, good.
Thank you so much. And but now on a parting note, I'd like to ask you to give one message for Navratri to everyone who attended this festival, so that they can be enthused to make sure that they get even more family members together and ready to attend the next Mahanavratri festival.
I think this is all celebration of life, and if people could go to the next function in big numbers, that will be great.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.